Welcome to sunny Dana Point, California. It is auction day. Over the past 30 days, DeCaro Auctions International has captured the attention of the world and shined a light on this incredible ocean view estate. And in just a few minutes, it will sell to the highest bidder in a live, no reserve, absolute auction. We are just moments away. Bidders are getting their paddles right now. Each has put down $100,000 to have the chance to compete for this house at auction. No blind online auctions or bidding apps here, just the most experienced real estate auctioneer, Dan DeCaro, and the power and transparency of a live auction with everyone staring down the competition. It's the best way to buy and sell luxury real estate.
We've been doing live auctions for 40 years, selling some of the best real estate in this country, billions and billions of dollars of real estate. There's no shortcut. There's total transparency at our auction venue.
Bidders are in place and we are ready to go. Let's take you to all the action.
Yes, I've got a $5 million bid, now 5.5. 5.5, now 6. 5.5, and 6, and 6, and 6. Yes, 6 million, now 6.5. Yes, 6 million 5, now 6 million 750. Thank you. Yes. I've got 6 million 850, now 7 million. Yes, 575, 7 million 650, 7 million 750, 7 million 850, or 8 million if you want to get it over with. Going once, going twice. Fair warning, last call.
After the heated battle, the property has a new owner.
Congratulations, I sold the property.
I don't like to lose. This is my first auction. It was very nice, very professional. I saw in commercial, I saw on CNN, advertisement, house up for auction. We were amazed with the property. Absolutely, I think I got a good deal.
Lots of energy in the room. I knew that I was in good hands and my seller was in good hands. If there was a potential buyer in the market, they heard the story about this house. They knew about it.
You saw bidder against bidder. That allowed this property probably to bring $1 million or $2 million more than it would have on an internet auction.
DeCaro has the best success rate in the industry, and there's a reason for that. With the live auction format, with the amount of marketing that we actually do for the property to reach the end users, you just don't get that with other companies.
We just witnessed the power of live auctions. It would have taken years to accomplish what we did in 30 days. No one else has the marketing power of DeCaro, and the results speak for themselves.
I would give DeCaro 5 stars. My experience with them over the last 30 days has been exceptionally fantastic.
Now you see why DeCaro Auctions International is the most successful luxury real estate auction company in the world. The seller got market value, the buyer knows they didn't overpay, and it's all because of DeCaro's experience, marketing, and live, transparent auction process.
Today is a perfect example as to why this is the only way to sell luxury real estate.